So there was me thinking the Range Rover was difficult to work on. This is a little battery that I've had to take out of my wife's BMW X4 because it's come up with an error saying emergency call system not available. Apparently these batteries are supposed to last for about 8 to 10 years. Her car's only 3 years old, but this battery's failed already. And to get this out, this is in the roof, actually in the roof line below the shark fin antenna. So then what I've had to do is basically strip almost the entire inside of the car out, including the B-pillar trims, to get the roof lining down, because the thing is tucked up in there. I mean, it's absolutely fucking madness. Why didn't they put it down the side here in one of these trim panels, in there, or in there with the other stuff with the audio amplifier? Why put it in the roof if it's got a battery in it that needs to be replaced? I mean, BMW are just fucking bonkers for doing this. Who takes a roof lining down to replace a battery? That's just madness. And not only that, you've got to be really careful when you pull the roof line down, because these plastic trim pieces push against the speaker. So I've had to wedge a bit of trim in there to stop it poking a hole in the speaker. Bloody bonkers.